Either this has fixed it. Last year we only managed to get about 4 figs off this tree, and this year it's gone completely mad. It's utterly fabulous. There's just so much fruit on here. I suppose the constant rain and periods of sunshine has just enabled this fruit to grow, and it's grown really rapidly in the last 3 weeks. This lot has sprouted. At the beginning of the year we had a few pieces and they just dropped off with the frost, and I thought, no, that's it, no figs. But everywhere we look on this tree there's just so many figs. I'm really looking forward to eating these. I am, and there's still more coming. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.